friends, welcome to Style and Read. This is Navneet and today we'll be talking about one of the most pigmented blush I have ever had in my life, and that is from My Glam. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here is the product, here is the blush of which I'll be talking about today. This is the range, the name of the range is K Play. Actually, K Play is a flavored range from My Glam, and with the richness of all the natural things like fruits and everything. Actually, it's raining and it's thundering, so please pardon that sound. And the most interesting thing which I liked about K Play range is that they have a hashtag with them. My Glam has given a different hashtag to this range, and that is hashtag fruitgasm. Yummy. And now let's talk about the blush. The price of K Play blush is rupees 645. The product quantity is 9 grams and it has 3 years of shelf life. And now let's talk about the packaging, the outer packaging, the cardboard packaging. As you all can see very clearly and very colorful, very yummy looking. As you can see, अब मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, it is everything on the screen actually. Very fruity packaging, it is very fresh looking with so catchy colors. The details are written on the back. The shade name which I have is 03 Sweet Peach. If you can see properly, it's written here. The name of the blush is My Glam K Play Peach Blush. And now I'm opening the packaging, and as you can see on the cover, it is written crushing on flavor, and the packaging is like very intact. The sponge tight packaging has been given to the blush, due to which it will not like break, or it is very safe for it if you are taking it somewhere along with the packaging. And now let's take it out. Here comes the pan. The pan, as you can see, is of a very like which color should we call it? A skin color pan with matte finish and a rubbery finish to it. And at the back, a sticker is there where all the details are written, the shade name and manufacturer and price and everything. And now let's open it. Here comes the blush. Woohoo! Look at it, guys. Guys, as soon as I open the pan, the first thing I notice is the fragrance of the blush. Actually, these are flavored products. This K Play range is flavored, and as soon as you open the pan, the fragrance of the flavor which is like written on it, like mine is sweet peach. So the flavor, and the fragrance of this blush is very peachy. So, yummy. It is so yummy. They have 3 shades in this blush range. The first one is this one which I have, sweet peach. Second one is raspberry, and the third one is strawberry. And both of those, raspberry and strawberry, are like having the fragrance of raspberry and strawberry. So whatever it is, sweet peach, which shade I have, is a bright coral shade, as you all can see. And look at the design they have like made in the pan, the swirl design. I just love it. It looks very sweet and very attractive actually. I never like thought of purchasing this range, but somehow I saw and I was very attracted from the website, and I just ordered, and when I got it, it was just like wow. So now let's swatch it. Just one swipe and look at the pigmentation. One more swipe and then look at the pigmentation. It is just awesome. Just have a look. It is one of the most pigmented blushes I have ever had actually. I don't know, the actual pigmentation I'm not able to show you in the camera. I don't know why it is not coming that dark, but it is too good. It is very blendable, like it blends beautifully. Even you can use your fingers to blend it on your cheeks and the, for that flushed glow. So let's apply it. I'm using a kabuki brush for it, and I'll just take blush on my brush and then we'll just apply it. You can see, awesomely pigmented and awesomely blendable, and it can be built to whatever dark or light you want to have it. Oh, let me have that flushed look. So here it is, guys, you can see. Guys, this blush is totally matte. It has a total matte finish. No glitters, no shimmer, no shiny particles or nothing. Totally matte it is. And it gives a very natural flush to your cheeks. As you can see, I have applied it. Stays on your cheeks for about 4 to 5 hours, like very easily. And I think so if you have applied it a bit darker, then you will have to use a wet wipe to clean it. And these blushes, this Capri range is available on the MyGlam website. Maybe on lockdown is going on, so I don't know MyGlam counters in the malls and everything will be open or not, but you can easily get it from the MyGlam website, or these are also available in Nykaa's, I think so. I'm not that sure, but in MyGlam you can order it very easily, and you have lots of offers running in the website. If we talk about the pricing of the product, then I think so for 9 gram of product, 645 rupees is very valuable. I mean, it is such a big fan. It won't get over for at least 3 to 4 years if you're using it regularly. I don't see any con about this product. Really, it is a star. And guys, if you all are convinced with the review, if you have already tried this product and you find this review very convincing and your views match with my views about this product, so do give it a like and do comment if you have any question or query about this product or anything. Just be free and write it down. And if you are a new viewer on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye bye.